Daniella, I'm looking at you right
What
now.
about this guy? Focus on me.
But we said something about Daniella.
Focus on me.
Understanding.
Forget this
I'm
guy.
looking at this girl. She
Forget
didn't
this
look.
guy.
No, she didn't look like that. She wanted to be this with her. I want to be your eye. Look at me. Look at me. I give it them. But we're talking about. Anyways, Bryann, I'll be brief. Because I don't give them. I'll be brief. You are a black. Look at me. You are a black king. I like your hair because I have natural hair, so I fuck with that 100%. I literally told you. Don't say any shit. I literally told you I like your piercings. Because see my ear. I'm not saying. If you leave me, I will pierce every. Before I had piercings, I literally just woke up and I said, no, you don't need this, and I removed all my piercings. All my fucking movies was fucking pierced. I'm not even playing with you. But like my point is, I just woke up. Girl, see, you see one thing with me, you think you know me. The moment you think you know me, I will shock you. But anyways, just listen to me.
I'm assuming you.
Shama, Aurora.
Emiliano, Aurora, calm down.
It means calm down. Translate, calm down.
Calm down, Mishito.
Anyways, what I'm trying to say is, I woke up one night, I don't need that. I see him. Like I said, we have a mutual friend. I forgot her name. You know her, Ima Elijah. Yes, and you know what I'm fucking saying. Ima does not fucking play, and you know. So that's it. I'm gonna leave you with that. Think about it till tomorrow. We'll have a fucking conversation. No, there's no cast. It's not cast. He knows. So my point, he knows. So my point is, listen. If I, who be your guy? I'm a rest. I can't be rest in Jesus' name. We don't have any. We have a mutual friend. That's one of my guys. One of my guys. And I called her name and he knows. So I don't give a damn. I don't give a fucking damn for me to please, can you please